Good morning and welcome everyone. We gather here today surrounded by the beauty of creation and nurtured by the sights and sounds of nature to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to add best wishes and blessings to the words that shall unite Tanmay and Tegan in marriage. Today is a celebration not only of the love that has brought these two together, but also of the families and friendships that have supported, strengthened, and sustained them on their journey to this moment.
I take this vow
for the fulfillment of the material needs of the family and for prosperity,
for the development of physical, mental, and spiritual strength,
for the development of physical, mental, and spiritual strength,
to acquire wealth by pure and righteous means, and to spend it wisely,
for a harmonious relationship,
to excel in raising strong and virtuous children,
for togetherness and compatibility,
and for friendship to be dependable and faithful,
and for lifelong companionship.
You look beautiful.
Pretty good. You?
Great.
Yeah.
As Tanmay and Tegan have joined together the light of the unity candle, it also represents the merging of their families and friends, as well as their lives. Just as these flames have merged into a single light, may their lives merge into a single path forward, illuminating their way together with love and understanding. Let this candle be a reminder of this moment and the love you have promised to one another. May it guide you in your shared future, lighting your way together with hope and joy.
Today we witness not just the merging of two souls, but also the blending of two unique personalities and cultures.
There's always something around the corner, something more to be found. I'm sure the coast.
Now, I'm not just marrying Tegan. It's my family marrying her family. And I couldn't have asked for better in-laws. Shannon, you've been so welcoming to me from the beginning. Just kindest and sweetest person. Tegan actually told me the story of you taking down that emu before we even started dating. That was so cool. Taking down the emu. Thank you so much for making me feel welcome.
Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered, it keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects and always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres.
I would like to announce a very special guest today. We are expecting baby Rajpathaks this fall.
Honey, I just wanna come home to you. Honey, I just wanna come